What's going on? I'm John with Salt, Pepper, and Fire, and today we are smoking chicken on the Old Country barbecue pits. So stick around, let's get it. All right, so here's the baby bird that we're working with today. As you can see, it's about close to 5 pounds and whole chicken. Not gonna spatchcock this one, we're just gonna cut it out of the package, get it dried off and get some season on it, and we will get it on the smoker. So I'll bring you back once I have it out the pack. All right guys, so we have a nice looking bird here. Like I said, it's close to about 5 pounds. We are gonna knock off a little of this extra skin. I've already took the insides out, hit this tail here. A little bit of this extra skin we'll get rid of. And shout out to my sister-in-law for this knife and my sister for this nice tray that I got for Christmas. Definitely gonna put these to good use. Knock off a little bit of skin at the top here. Looks good to me. I'll tuck these wings and we'll get ready to season this bird. All right, crew, so I'm gonna throw on just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil for a binder and to help the skin crisp. And man, I'm pretty excited for the rub we're gonna use today. We will be using the Jank rub. Man, I've been waiting to use this. I wanna say thanks to Lamar for sending this out to me. Heard all great things on this, so we're gonna get this seasoned up and we will go outside and get the pit together. Quick plug here. If you guys need any embroidery work done, holler at my man Sleeper Barbecue, or his channel for this is Stitch Art Embroidery. He done this towel for the Goodfellas, and man, look at it. It is quality work. He can do hats, he can do shirts, whatever you need. Holler at my man Lance and he will hook you up. All right, crew, so we're outside at the Pecos. We're about to get this thing fired up. I plan on cooking this chicken from anywhere from 225 to 275. We want to hold the temperature within that range. I have a chimney of charcoal ashing over right now, and you know I'm rocking with the good charcoal, of course. So we're gonna let that ash over, and once that ash over, we will get it in the firebox and start getting this thing up to temp when we put some logs on. So I'll bring you back when we're ready. All right, crew, as you can see, we'll start with everything open. We have our door open here. We have the door to the firebox open here. We have the door to the cook chamber open here. And as you can see on the smokestack, it is fully open. So we're about to get these coals inside the firebox and get the logs in and start getting it up to temperature. All right, let's get us 2 logs in here. It goes right out. And as you can see, they're already starting to catch. So we'll be running some post oak and pecan wood on this cook, but right now these 2 splits are post oak. All right, and as you can see, starting off, the smoke is a little bit dirty. We will wait and let that clear, and then we will close the cook chamber, start moving the heat through the cooking surface, and then we'll get the chicken on once we get up to temperature. All right, so we are at 225, so let's get this bird on and let the Pecos do its thing. All right, I will check back with you guys in an hour. All right guys, it's been about an hour. We're sitting rock solid at 250, so let's take a peek in here and see do it. It's looking good. Looking good, taking on some good color. Let's get a internal, see where we are. Sitting at about 100. 79. 106 back there. 140 in the leg. So we'll probably flip this around and get some even cooking and we'll bring it back. All right, it's time to add us another log, so we'll put that in here. See, we still have a really good cold there. Put this down. Leave this firebox open till it catches and dirty smoke clears. All right, let's give this thing one last check here. Oh man, we're looking good. So let's get an internal temperature here. 17, 06, 156, 157. So we'll just let this continue to rock and roll till we get to temperature, which is 165. So I'll bring you back when I check again. All right, crew, as you can see, we're temping about 125, 130 on the chicken breast, a little bit more on the legs. I'm gonna crank the temperature up to about 300 to work on this skin and get it up to temperature. So the next time you see us, we'll be inside on the cutting board. So I'll bring you back for that. All right, so let's cut us a piece of this here. All right, guys, so I switched it up for a little bit. Let's go for this leg. Oh man, that's good. Excellent smoky flavor. The taste of that jank is out of this world. It's a very good season. I will definitely look forward to using this again. So all right, gang, that's gonna wrap up another video here at Salt, Pepper, and Fire. If you can get your hands on it, get some of this jank seasoning, you will not be disappointed. I can assure you that. I will leave a link in the description, a place where you can get it. Also, I'll leave a link in the description from my brother Lance's embroidery company. Get some stuff from him. He does great work. And last, I want to give a shout out to my brother Lance from Sleeper BBQ, my brother George from 805 Barbecue Junkie. We have a big goal. We're trying to make it to 5,000K this year. I know it's a big goal, but hey, dream big. We're going to get it done. We need you guys to help us. And as always, please give this video a like, a comment, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And until next time, we'll see you guys.